Whoa! A new farm day!
Ooh, what's inside?
This is orange, and this is green.
Orange like carrots.
Let's try this little machine. Be careful, it looks powerful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job, Mello.
Nice and steady.
Wow,
The field is huge. So many carrots. Stay together. Let's explore it safely. You just grip the leaves and pull gently like this.
oh, that looks easy. I want to try next.
Carrot goes to orange.
Green for broccoli.
Perfect. Keep matching the colors. Whoa, look at this. It's H-U-G. Careful, don't push too hard. Oops, too much water? Easy, easy.
Not too hard.
Try a gentler squeeze next time. Whoa, it got huge.
Did I water it too much?
Yes, just a little too strong. See? A little water is good, but too much makes it grow funny.
I get it now.
Sorry, I squeezed too hard. The pumpkin touched me.
Mello, are you okay?
It's all right, it didn't roll far. Let's try again. Push it. Push it, push it. Just a gentle tap. Oh, it's doing something.
Stay back just a little.
Let's watch carefully. And stop. Nice one, Snowy. Whew, finally. It's a bit too full.
Should we fix it?
Yes, but one step at a time.
Whoa!
The basket jumped. The veggies made it pop. Hold on, let's steady it. When things fall, we clean them up. Let's tidy everything. I can help. Into the basket. I got my veggie. Great teamwork. Just a small fix.
You're so good at this.
Fix it, fix it. Grip the leaves, pull straight up. Let me try. Me too. Okay, grip and pull. You can do it, Mello.
Nice and steady.
I got it. Nice pull. Perfect technique. The carrot goes right here.
Nice and tidy.
Good job carrying it. Just a tiny pour, like this.
So gentle.
I want to try next.
Like this, right?
Perfect. Nice and soft. Coco's a pro.
Oh, the leaves moved.
Did we make it happy? Looks like it liked your watering.
Boop.
Careful, Mello.
Just a light touch.
Let's try this big one. Go slowly. Keep your balance.
Keep your balance. It's coming out.
Pull steady. Almost there.
Let's pull together.
Okay, 1, 2.
Nice teamwork. We got it. It's huge. Nicely done, both of you. Careful, steady.
It's heavier than it looks. It's heavier than it looks.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Slow, slow. Almost there. We got it. Careful. And perfect.
We did it.
Big carrot team.
Great teamwork today. Let's plant new ones next. Yay! More carrots. Can I pour the seeds? Here are the seeds.
Perfect. Thank you, Coco. I want to hold some too.
Plant right here. Nice and gentle. Perfect placement. Just a little soil on top.
Nice and smooth.
I want to pat it too. Nice and flat.
Perfect! Exactly how it should be.
We planted a new seed. Teamwork rules.
Great job, both of you. There, now we know it's growing here. So cute!
So cute!
Perfect finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like.
And subscribe for more fun.
Here it is, Splash Park. It's so colorful. Let's have fun, but safe. Ready, set, splash. Woo! It's tickly.
Perfect first splash.
Catch me if you can. Wait, Slippery. Easy steps, Mello. Here we go! Whee, so fast!
Nice, that was amazing!
My floaty did a flip! Whoa, it's wobbly! Hold my paw, little bro! You got this! Look, bubbles everywhere! I'm gonna pop one! Careful, they pop back! 1, 2, 3, jump! Here we go! It's so warm and floaty! Best pool ever! Stay still! Gotcha! Ah! Defend the floaty! Incoming wave! That was the biggest splash ever! We made the water sparkle! Yeah! Ready? Big splash! Together! Here it comes! My ears feel so fuzzy!
You look like a puffball.
All clean and cozy. It's quiet and really comfy now. Yeah, best chill pit stop ever.
We made a perfect shade spot together.
Ooh, it feels so cool here.
McQueen likes the shade too. Vroom!
But cool. Pull, pull, pull. Almost got it. Yeah. garden.
Wow, so many yummy vegetables.
McQueen wants to play too. Oh. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.
Hurry up, guys. The pool is calling.
I've got the duck floaty.
Don't forget sunscreen, remember.
Vroom!
Speed Racer is ready to roll. Banana!
My Minions boat is the funniest.
I'm gonna win.
Wait for me. This thing is bouncing everywhere. Slow down. We're almost there.
Last one is a rotten egg. Egg.
Wait for me, Coco.
Look how big it is. Cannonball.
Vroom! Speed Racer is ready to roll.
Banana! My Minions boat is the funniest.
Captain Snowy reporting for...
Catch this, Mello.
Boing! My Minions ball is glowing. Nice throw. Steady hands, Coco.
Ready, set, go. Last one there is a rotten egg. Whoosh! Take that, water.
Water battle time.
That's cold.
Take this, Mello. Splash attack.
Look, I did it. I made a big one.
Wow. Let me try again.
This is so fun.
Everything tastes so good.
Let's race. Who finishes first? Haha!
Don't rush. Let's enjoy this moment. You've got a little something right there. Hey, thanks. Now it's your turn, Snowy.
Oh my, it looks like a rainbow exploded. That was the best day ever. I'm so sleepy now.
Me too, Coco.
Whoa, careful there. You saved them. Good job, Mello. Everything is stacked now.
Candy Farm in Christmas style.
Yay!
Vroom, vroom. Santa McQueen.
Let's walk in carefully. It's snowing. Whoa! Look at the Christmas donut gate. It's snowing sprinkles. Santa McQueen loves it. Look.
Candy Field, Cookie Corner, Ice Cream Hill, and the Juice Barn. All in Christmas snow.
Santa McQueen can visit all of them. Woo! The Candy Kingdom is H-U-G. Hey! Santa McQueen wants to drive everywhere. Woo! Look at all the candy! Spin, Coco, spin! Santa McQueen loves it. It's beautiful and snowy. Mello! Careful! It's slippery. Watch your step. Here, Candy Field first. Stay close and follow the path.
Yes! Let's go deeper.
McQueen says goo.
Vroom, vroom. Santa style.
All right, follow the path. Be-doof.
Look how B.I.G. it is. Santa McQueen says that's huge.
A perfect Christmas lollipop.
It's really stuck.
You can do it, Mello. Pull, pull, pull. Careful, the snow is slippery.
Look, more candy under the snow.
McQueen found a big one.
Everything looks sweet and perfect.
Here it comes, and sprinkles everywhere. But pretty. Red goes here, green over here, nice and tidy.
Wow! Snowy, you're so good at this.
Does this one go? All loaded. McQueen, ready for our Christmas delivery? He's super ready. Look at all this candy veggies. Look, the basket is totally full. Santa McQueen says, a big. Next up, Cookie Corner. Let's go.
Vroom, vroom. Santa McQueen's ready.
Cookie Corner, warm, sweet, and look, the basket is totally full.
Santa McQueen says,
Best candy haul ever. Hold on, the hill gets steeper.
woo, bumpy but fun.
Everything under control.
Look at this giant cookie gate.
Santa McQueen says,
H-U-G.
Impressive craftsmanship.
Woo!
Little snowdrift, McQueen.
I'm wiggling, but it's fun. Look, we made it to Candy Farm Village.
So many gingerbread houses. We're crossing the candy bridge, guys.
Santa McQueen loves this view.
Very calm. Very pretty.
This place is so warm and yummy looking.
Santa McQueen loved the cookie machines.
Wow! It exploded!
The dough is alive!
Unexpected, but smells nice.
Let's try this button. Stamp time.
Woo!
Santa McQueen loves this one. Very steady, very smooth stamping.
It's flying! Look, it's really flying!
Wow! Booster wind. Stable lift. Impressive engineering.
It's opening! It's really opening!
Santa McQueen wants to go inside now. A perfect mechanism, very festive.
This must be the heart of the whole factory. It's so shiny! My eyes!
A perfectly crafted energy source.
Woo!
The chocolate is glowing.
I'm slipping! Ah! Save McQueen!
Stay balanced.
Look at the Christmas tree! It's H-U-G! Santa McQueen loves
Very
it.
peaceful. Everyone ready? It's launch time.
Santa McQueen says,
F-U-L power.
It's beautiful! It's so be-right!
Santa McQueen.
a perfect Chris.
This is the best Christmas ever! Dance time! McQueen style!
A calm, festive rooftop moment. That was amazing. Help! I'm stuck upside down. Soft landing. Pleasant, actually.
At least you landed safely, Mello.
Whoa! Careful there!
You've got the heart of real racers.
And the wind's on our team.
That was the best race ever.
It still works. Magic wind.